The question is, when you think of supply chain, what comes to mind? Christine says procurement. Okay, fair enough, Christine. Nice. Christine says procurement. Who else said something? Uh-huh. So Vernon said vendor management. Kafil said logistics. Okay. Hold on. Kafil says logistics. Nice. Okay, cool. Oops. All right. Vernon says vendor management. Vernon says vendor management. Right. Nice. Nice. Let me see what else you all are saying. What else are you saying? Uh-huh. Nice. Okay. So, hey, Moment says forecasting, and Andrew says transportation and distribution. Okay. All right. We're going good so far. Moment says forecasting. All right. Okay. Moment says forecasting, and Andrew says transportation and distribution. Andrew says transportation and distribution. Yeah. Nice. All right. Good. Mm-hmm. So we're not done yet. We have some more work to do on this. Let me make it a bit smaller. Hope you're seeing, right? Nice. Okay, let's go back again. Nope. Right. All right. Kafil says. So Kafil says. Wait, Christine says client services. Okay. Coming back to that, Christine. Kafil says manufacturing, distributors, retailers. Okay, fine. All right. So everyone had an input, right? So I'll put in that last one you have, Christine. I'm coming back to you all. So this is Kafil again. Kafil says, this is what Kafil says. Kafil says a lot here. Nice. It's nice. I wanted to prepare this one. I don't see if I could eliminate this. Okay, I just have to leave that there. Bring it back up. And Christine says client services. Okay. Okay. Christine says client services. Right. Christine. Now, here's the thing, right? Now, I have another question. So I'm going back to some of the points. Christine, you said procurement, so I'm going to ask you, what else? When you think procurement, what do you think of? Andrew, you say it's transportation and distribution. What else do you think of, Andrew? Vernon, you said vendor management. What comes to mind when you think vendor management? Vendor management. And moment, when you say forecasting, what are you thinking about? What when you talk about forecasting, what comes to mind after? Those are my questions. All right, so I'm waiting. I'm returning. See what you all have in mind. So I hope you got that. So I want you to link. Listen to this. I want you to link what you said to something else. So Vernon, when you think vendor management, you think strategic sourcing. That's what you're saying. And Christine, when you think what? When you think client services. Christine, your point is for procurement or your point on client services? Tell me. Procurement. Okay, one at a time. When Christine thinks procurement, Christine thinks about materials and retailers and suppliers. Okay. Okay. So Christine thinks retailers, suppliers, and something else. Hold on. Nice. So we're doing, you know what we're doing here? We're doing a mind map. We're doing a supply chain mind map. Comment to each one. Yeah. Christine, okay, materials, retailers, and suppliers. Coming to each one of you, right? I ain't gonna forget you. And suppliers. Suppliers. I hope you all are seeing my screen, right? Hope you all seeing what's going on. Right. So that's Christine. When I get to my friend, before that, Vernon, I'll come into you moment. Vernon, 1 2 1 2. Vernon, are you there? Vernon, are you there? Vernon, when you're saying that when you think of vendor management, strategic sourcing comes to mind. That's what you're saying. There's a relationship between strategic sourcing and vendor management. That's what you're saying, Vernon. Tell me, Vernon. Tell me. Vernon says yes. No, he said no. No strategic sourcing part. Okay. Oh, but let's. Okay, I'm cool with that. But Vernon, let's look at the point you made on vendor management. When you think of vendor management, what comes to mind? And I'll include this strategic sourcing thing here. Vernon says strategic sourcing. Right, Vernon? Could you answer that for me? Okay, coming to you, Moment. Coming to you, Moment. You wrote a lot there. Coming to that, he says he thinks about managing your organization, procured vendors. All right, managing your. What about managing? What about just managing? Yeah, managing your vendors, or or managing your suppliers, which is the same thing. All right, y'all seem to know something, man. Y'all. I could tell that y'all have an idea of what's going on. You know. Y'all are not totally new to this thing. All right. So Vernon says, you're right, guys. We're doing a mind mapping here. We're doing a supply chain mind map. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Supply chain mind map, right? So, no, that's in the wrong place. I connected that to the wrong place. Hold on. Nice, I got it. So this is what Vernon had to say. All right, thanks a lot, Vernon. Oops. Trying to bring this in the screen here. All right, so this is what Vernon said. Right, so we know that is from Vernon, right? Thank you. All right, coming to the others, I don't want to leave out anyone. Vernon said even potential vendors for the future. Right, nice. Christine, I'm coming to you, my dear. But my friend Momen, Momen, are you there? Momen, testing 1, 2, 3. Where's my friend Momen? Momen, are you there? Momen, you said right. So Momen is saying when he thinks of let me see, Moment, when he thinks of forecasting, what comes to mind? I'll tell you what comes to mind. This is from Moment. He said, correct forecasting of needs and demand is critical. It's a critical success factor to maintain availability and avoid stock rupture. Interesting. Moment, I will make it shorter. I would say Moment says avoiding stockouts or avoiding supply chain vulnerability. I'll just summarize it, right? Avoiding supply chain vulnerability or avoiding stockouts. Very good. Moment, you're a critical thinker. Good. All right. Let me see. So, Moment. Moment says, right, avoiding stockouts and supply chain vulnerability. Yep. Nice. Good stuff. And I'm just going to bring this here. Right, good work there. Good work there, Moment. Right, so it's shaping up nicely. I have to make it a little shorter, a little smaller. Sorry, hope you don't mind. Hope you all don't mind, right? Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Are you all with me? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We okay? Right, nice. Vernon says, wait, coming back to that, Vernon, but he says even potential vendors for the future. All right, true. My friend here, Christine. You see, I don't want to forget. Christine said, okay. Christine, this one is for what? Christine says, okay, for client services, sorry. Customer bid, ask, product survey, okay. Customer bidding and product survey, okay. Okay, client services, customer bidding and product survey. All right. To me, it's more, I would say it's more, that's probably from a supplier perspective, client service. Maybe you're talking from a supplier's perspective. Let me talk to her. Christine, are you there? Calling on Christine. Okay, she says yes. So she's looking at it from a supplier's perspective, right? Okay, good. I'm cool with that. Nice. Yeah, we always look at it from the buyer's perspective, but what about from the supplier's perspective? All right. Coming to that, Vernon. You'll stretch it out one more time. Just want to capture. Okay. Client services. Okay. Product survey, bid, product survey, and responding to bids. Maybe. Okay. Let me do that. I'll put product feedback from buyers. I'll just put that. Or customers. And bid responses. Suppliers response to bids, right? They do that. Nice.